everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you a finished object and a giveaway. So here is my finished object, and this is the Rockstar bear designed by Anita over at YOH Crochet. This is absolutely adorable. I was one of her test crocheters for this pattern. I absolutely love it. It is so stinking adorable. It's really cute. I really love this pattern. It's so cute. I also tested one of her other patterns, and that should be released at another date. So this is really cute. I really love the bear. It is so stinking cute. Oh, how could you not love it? How could you not love it? She was inspired by Judy at Witch Peach Craft to create the Rockstar bear. And it's just so stinking cute. I love this. I know my grandson's going to adore it. It's absolutely cute. So, I will be giving away one of the patterns thanks to the lovely Anita. And what you're going to have to do is I'm going to link in the description one of Anita's videos. And you're going to have to go over to that video, watch the video from start to finish, and comment on the video, Froggy sent me. F-R-O-G-G-Y sent me. So comment, Froggy sent me. Because I will be drawing the winners from her video only. When you're done commenting, Froggy sent me, come back to this video and write the word done. And that's how you win. The giveaway starts from today and it will end on the 15th. And on this, I will draw at midnight Eastern time on the 15th of June, and I will post the winner on June 16th. So go over to Anita's channel, and I'm definitely going to post the video in the description box that you need to go over and comment Froggy sent me, and then come back here and comment the word done. And you can win the pattern for the Rockstar bear. So enjoy Anita's videos. It's pretty cool. It's amigurumi tricks. So enjoy that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and above all, happy yarning. Bye now.